This product is manufactured in United States. This product is easy to use. Vitapointe Creme Hairdress Conditioner, 8 ounces. The package dimension of the product is 7.1 cml by 9.1 cmw by 9.1 cmh. Vitapointe strengthens hair and smooths hair cuticle to reduce breakage and frizz. Restores manageability and silkens to a glossy sheen. Top reviews from the United States. Great shine. Makes my hair shine and more manageable. Have used for years and there is nothing better. Moisture heaven. Vitapointe has a great moisture factor. I have mildly dry salt and pepper 4B afro hair and it does a pretty good job helping keep it moisturized, but you have to be consistent.